Hi guys, this is GSMDome.com and I'm here with the OPPO Reno10, the regular model, and let's see what the fuss is all about. First of all, the price difference. The regular model is priced at 499 euros, while the Pro model is 599 euros. And in spite of the price difference, you're not getting shortchanged, I would say. Still, you're getting a very fast charging. I'm talking about 80 watt Super VOOC flash charge. The CPU stays the same, MediaTek Dimensity 7300 energy, which means tailor-made for OPPO for decreased power consumption. Brand new ColorOS 14.1 on top of Android 14, and even the screen stays pretty much the same. It's an AMOLED with a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED, 120 Hz refresh rate. Now, the Reno10 5G has the same AI features, but there are some changes in specs. This 499 euro handset, when it doesn't do something like this with beautiful waves, it sports a 32 megapixel front camera for selfies, unlike the other one, which has a 50 megapixel camera, the other one being the Pro. Another change is the fact that the telephoto camera with 2x optical zoom has been swapped for a macro camera. And now let's do a deep dive. So people are talking about the AI features here, but before the AI, I want to focus on its core features. So there's AI Eraser 2.0. You can enhance your photos with a feature that can eliminate objects. There's Match Image Matting, which lets you apply stickers and more. There's also Link Boost. Even when the signal is poor or no signal at all, you have strong communication. By the way, speaking of which, when you're in a subway, with two people with two similar OPPO Reno phones can talk to each other even without a SIM or Wi-Fi. Then we have the 5000 mAh battery with very fast charge, the CPU I mentioned before, and Gorilla Glass protection. It's 7i, not Victus 2 like on the Pro model, but still pretty tough. The Astro Silver is a cute looking version. I also like the purple one, to be honest. And there's the protection here, a promise of 50 months of fluency and a 4-year durable battery. Now, I'm going to show you the AI features, and by the way, we're going to stop at the main camera. 50 megapixel main camera with OIS Sony Lithia 600 sensor. I've seen a similar sensor on the Realme 12 Plus, if I remember correctly. Plus a megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro. That's the setup we're getting here. And the front camera also does 4K filming, which means it's very good for, you guessed it, selfies and vlogging. You have panorama, time-lapse, document scanner, high resolution, slow motion, stickers, night mode, macro, dual view. There's also a portrait area, and there's also the photo, and I'm pretty sure that in the portrait you're going to get the AI bokeh flare, which you actually do. The video department hosts a ultra steady feature, which only applies to Full HD videos, and there's a Pro mode with white balance, focus, exposure, shutter, and ISO available. But I promised you some AI magic, and let me deliver. So, if you go here, let me cancel this, you can definitely start removing objects and people. You press Edit, AI Eraser, and you're going to do Smart Lasso. For example, if I want to remove this flower, it gets recognized, and it's getting removed right now, and replaced with a special mask cursor. Interestingly, it has generated another flower instead of it by recognizing the scenario behind it. You can also remove people and do some other types of swaps. Okay, so if I had a photo with more people, let me actually, I think you can actually go ahead and remove people from this one. AI Eraser, remove people. It's calculating. And these are the people it can remove and keeps the core guy in the center. Remove all. Actually, the core guys. It identified an opportunity for an interview, and now you can compare after the removal. If there are some weird shadows, you can use the Smart Lasso on them. So that's it in a nutshell. That's the AI power, but there's more. Once again, you can open people's eyes when you're doing portraits, a special AI feature. This is the regular OPPO Reno10 5G, not the Pro one, but still a pretty appealing offer with the same CPU and the core of the experience. I'm talking about AI, of course. Goodbye.